Hey everyone, my name is Michelle Steingard, and I have not had a job working for anyone in over 20 years. Yeah. And God, it's a long time, but now I'm here to teach you my secrets to success. So if you own a phone, you like making money, and you want to be your own boss, then this video is for you. In this video, I am going to be teaching you all about affiliate marketing, how it works, how you get paid, and more importantly, what's in it for you. All right, let's get into this. I am going to break down exactly what affiliate marketing is, how it works, how you make money, and how everybody wins here. So what exactly is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is the marketing and promotion of other people's products or services online using your own traffic sources in exchange for a commission. So essentially, all you have to do is get qualified visitors to come to your ad. So let me give you an example. We have this product here, okay? We have this product, and let's say you drive 100 qualified visitors to your unique link, which tracks back to you. The customer will click on an image that we provide for you, and they're taken to a landing page or a sales page. You can call it either or. And that explains more about the product, which sells them the product. And at that point, if they like the product and they want to buy it, they put their credit card in, and when they actually pay, you get paid a commission when they put their credit card in and make an actual purchase. So let me break down some terminology, affiliate talk terminology. An advertiser is the person who actually owns this product. So they're the people who put up their products on websites and are looking for traffic for it. So the person who started this company is the advertiser. And I'll tell you, without traffic and conversions, the advertiser is essentially, they're just essentially out of business because they don't have any customers. So we use the word offer to reference the product or service that is being sold. So we also, in addition to that, we use what's called a tracking platform. And this platform is where all of our offers are hosted in one place, and it's a technology in which you're assigned a specific link. Your unique tracking link will track clicks and conversions, and you'll have access to your back office login 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and you can view your stats in real time. And the system we use is called Everflow, so you can look that up. It's really user-friendly, it's easy to use. So now let's get into some different ways on how you can generate traffic and get visitors to your ads so you can make money. Now, before I break these down, I want you to understand that there are many different ways to generate traffic. But these are some of the top ways that I've experienced over the years that I know work because the sales come in. So I encourage you to do your research on each one of these traffic methods to figure out which method is gonna work best for you, and after you review them. So number one, search engine optimization. This involves making a web page that's readable to search engines and emphasizing key topics related to your content. This takes a bit longer, but it's very lucrative because people are actually organically searching for the specific product. So you can create a page on Instagram and learn how to hashtag and get some visitors from there. You can ask influencers to promote your products, and you can pay them a commission of what you get from us, or you can just give them a flat fee. You can also start a blog or what's called a review site where you actually write up a review. Let's say you write up a review about the zinc products and how great the zinc is for you, which it is really good for you. You should be taking this. So then you put those on your blog post, and you put the ad, like I said, you could put the image of the product or the sales copy. And then basically you can run pay-per-click marketing on Bing, Yahoo Search, or Google. And yes, I did say Bing and Yahoo. So they have a lot of traffic that's very underutilized by people because everyone thinks the only place to get any money online is Google. And that is just that's not correct. I had an affiliate, he was one of my top affiliates, and he was doing pay-per-click on Bing. So the traffic works. You can also find Instagram influencers, TikTok influencers. You can go out and, like I said, you can offer them a fee. You can run ads on TikTok. You can run YouTube ads. You can run Facebook ads. You can run LinkedIn ads. It goes on and on and on. You can also send links to your friends and family and ask them to help you grow your business by purchasing one of your products, because they're good for you and we have really great products that are ethical. So you can also purchase products up front and go door to door if that's something you want to do, to the small mom and pop shops, and ask these people if, they want to buy something. I know it's old school style, but it's still effective. When something is valuable that you're offering someone, they're willing to pay for it. You can also post unique links in chats with people. So let me give you an example. Let's say that we're trying to sell a hair supplement. It's a supplement that will stop your hair from shedding and it'll help you strengthen your hair, which is a product that we have. Then you would post something in the chat like, I came across this product and it's really great for thinning hair. You'll want to check out this link. And then you put your post in the link, and that's it. And then, so I have a disclaimer about this video, all right? I have a few disclaimers. I'm not here to hold anybody's hand. I'm not here to answer all of your questions. I don't have the answers to everything. I am providing you a business and a system where you can actually be your own boss and make your own money. I do not give out tax advice. So if your commissions are under $500 in total, you'll be paid once a month. For higher commissions, you'll be paid weekly. So it just really depends on the volume. There are certain restrictions also that some of the advertisers, remember the people behind the products paying our bills here, there's a few restrictions that these people have. Some of them don't allow PPC, some of them don't allow SEO, some of them don't allow these different things. So you have to be very specific about that. One last method I forgot here was email marketing. You can also, like if you get these newsletters, a lot of places rent out their lists where you can run an ad with them. I mean, it costs a little more, but you get to keep all the revenue that you get. So if you pay $200 for the ad, but you make $700, then it's worth it. So in the description link, there is, you're gonna see the website, ecomdivas.com. And just click on that link. And if you want to become an affiliate and be considered for it, then go ahead and just hit the sign up link, sign up, and then, we'll be notified that you signed up, and we can get started. And just remember, clicks equal cash, and it would be my pleasure to send you money. So let's do this.